Hey everyone, get ready for another awesome video. Be sure to check out my merchandise on our website. Hey everybody, welcome to Adventures at RJ's. I'm RJ, and today we are making 3 easy Halloween decorations. Let's get started. So we're about to get started on 3 Halloween decorations. This is my smock. Oh, and please ask a parent before you tear up any of your old clothes. This is my mom, Teresa.
Hi, everyone.
You did say hi to my mom, didn't you? So we're about to get started. So, Mom, tell me what we're doing today.
Today we're going to do a ghost silhouette that's lighted, a napkin holder, and a really cool skull candle holder. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that all of this we've gotten pretty much all at Dollar Tree or Walmart. All of our paints came from Walmart, and a lot of our arts and craft things come from Dollar Tree. Some of it's just recycled, and our paintbrushes are really from a compilation of everywhere. First, we're going to start out by painting a base layer of primer on our pieces. RJ is going to start his with a layer of black primer, and I'm going to do mine with a layer of white primer. What are you doing, RJ? So before we get started, you're going to need 2 different bases. I got these both at Dollar Tree. So you can hot glue them together here and put them together. So you'll have your space now for your napkins. You'll need paint, paintbrushes, hot glue gun, and glue. Be sure you ask your parents or guardian before you use the glue gun, please. Thank you.
That did not look right.
So as I was mentioning to RJ earlier, you want to do smooth strokes. Make sure you don't have any thick globs so that it doesn't peel off after it dries. Just a thin, quick layer.
Okay, finally. After 3,000 years, I'm finally done.
Actually, you still got to get the bottom of your base smoothed out.
What we like to do to let them dry, we put them on napkins on the floor with a fan blowing on them. Well, I like to put the brown on it to look a little aged. First, we start with the white coat, then we get a napkin and put some brown paint on it, then do that.
I am adding the finishing touches to my sugar skull. Just doing some little swirlies to even out the top of the face.
Got everything primed, painted, and ready to go. All we need to do now is put it together.
Now that I've got my one side painted, I'm going to glue in the middle here my two bases and put them together to make my napkin holder. Later on, I'll paint the other side of my sugar skull. Hold that for a minute. Definitely want it to cool down. It doesn't stick to the table. Ouch. No. Right, we are done. Happy Halloween.
Well, this one was pretty simple. We just painted it black, glued some lights on. Poof! Well, that about wraps up for today's video. Comment below what your favorite Halloween decoration is. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe so we can hang out next week. Until then, I'm RJ reminding you to get out in your backyard and enjoy life. Ah!